Good morning, children. Today we will learn ABC. Now watch.
A for apple, A for ant, B for bat, B for ball, B, 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 B. C for cat and C for